나는 자매가 없어요. What does this sentence mean? If you notice, the word in red letter is 자매가. Today, on One Korean Word a Day, here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word Jamae. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, on here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 143. Jamae. Jamae. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is ja, the second syllable is me. Pronounce it with me. Jamae. Jamae. Word jame is the Korean noun for sisters. And just like Youngjae, this is a general term for sisters since it is not indicated if it is an older or a younger sister. How do we spell jame in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable. To be able to write the syllable ja in Hangul, we need to draw first a G character followed by an A character. For the second syllable, me, we need to draw first a miyam character followed by an A character. And then, we just have to combine the hangul for each of these syllables to form the hangul of the whole word, jame. When writing in Korean, you just have to write the hangul of the syllables first and then combine it afterwards to form the hangul of the whole word. Now that we have an idea about the meaning of the word jame, let's try to look into this example sentence. The sentence says, I have no sisters. The Korean translation of this sentence is 나는 자매가 없어요. Again, 나는 자매가 없어요. The first part of the sentence is 나는. Na means I and nun is just a subject particle added to na. The second part of the sentence is 자매가. 자매 means sisters and ga is just added to indicate that this is an object. And the last part of the sentence is 없어요. This is already discussed in this channel, and we know that it means there is none. So, if these three words are combined, or if these three parts are combined, it would result to a sentence that means, I have no sisters. Again, it means, I have no sisters. Therefore, if you will go back to the example sentence at the start of the video, we already know by now that the meaning of the sentence, 나는 자매가 없어요, is simply, I have no sisters. And with that, you've just learned jame. Now let's proceed with the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 133 to 142. Don't forget our word for today, word number 143, jame. And this is the Korean noun for sisters. Word number 142 is Youngjae. And this is the Korean noun for brothers. Word number 141 is Dongseng. And this is the Korean noun for younger sibling. Word number 140 is maknae. This is the Korean noun for youngest sibling or the youngest in a family or a group. Word number 139 is 뭐라고. And this is an informal way of saying or asking, what did you say? But this is used when you did not hear what someone said. Word number 138 is 예쁘다. This is an adjective which means pretty. Word number 137 is 배고파. This is an adjective used to say that I'm hungry. Word number 136 is 이렇게. This is an adverb and this is used to indicate that an action should be done like this or this way. Word number 135 is 혹시. This is used to say perhaps or by any chance during an inquiry. Word number 134 is gacho, and this is the Korean noun for family. And the last for our review is word number 133, appa, which is the Korean noun for dad. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, out here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.